Students, today we are going to see the fifth experiment. Fifth experiment is 8:1 multiplexer. Simplify the given 4 variable expression using entered variable map and realize the simplified logic expression using 8:1 multiplexer IC. The function is given. First we have to simplify this function using entered variable map method. Then we will get one simplified expression. That expression need to be realized using 8:1 multiplexer IC. Okay, so first we will simplify this. This is the given function. I have written it 4 variable function it is. So decimal values are from 0 to 15. Binary values I have written, corresponding binary values are written here. Then min terms, all these are having 1, so you can mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 15 are having one value output, so I have marked 1. Then don't get 8, 9, 10, 11. 8, 9, 10, 11 are I marked don't case. Remaining functions are 0. Okay, now this is the 16 variable table, need to be reduced to 8 because we are going to realize this using 8:1 multiplexer. So what I am doing, I will divide the table. Here I will divide 2 to 2. So this is for D0, this is for D1, this is for D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Now MEV variable I am going to write 0 0 0, 1 1 1, 1 1 again 1, 0 0 0, x x x, x x x, 0 or 1 means don't care, 0 or 1 again, so again it is don't care. So this is the value for D0 input, this is for D1 input, D2 input, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So all these are going to be the input for 8:1 multiplexer. 8:1 multiplexer. Okay. Here we need 74LS151 IC and digital trainer kit. Now we are going to see the pin diagram of 74LS151. This is the IC. It's a 16 pin IC. 16 pin IC. We have data inputs and data select inputs and output. 8th pin is ground. 16th pin should be connected with VCC. See, data inputs are D0, D1, D2, D3. See the pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and outputs are Y and Y bar. We have the outputs pins are 5 and 6. Okay. Now we know the which are the data inputs. D0 is 0, D1 is 1. So based on this I am going to make my circuit diagram. Okay. So pin diagram you can refer, this also you can refer, D0 to D7. So 8:1 multiplexer block diagram, we know this side we have to mark all the inputs, this side output, this side selection inputs. Okay, so D0 to D7 I have written. From the table we have found that D0 and D3 are having 0 values. D0 and D3 are having 0 values. D0 and D3. The pin numbers I have to check from the pin diagram. D3 is 1, D0 is 4. So 4 and 1 pin, both the pins I am connecting with 0. Then D1 and D2 are having 1 inputs, D1 and D2 corresponding pins are, you can check that pin diagram, D1 and D2 pins are 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 I will connect with one output, 2 and 3 I will connect with one output. Then don't care is a D4 and D5. X is nothing but 0 or 1. So this D4 and D5 I can connect either with 1 or 0. Here I have connected with 1. Next D6 and D7. D6 and D7 also don't care. D6 and D7 I am connecting with, I can connect either with 0 or 1. So this also can be connected with 0 or 1. Then 7th pin is high enable. Actually it's a strobe. Strobe is nothing but enable pin only. You have to give high to activate this IC. Then 9 and 10 are inputs, selection inputs. So these 3 pins need to be connected with input pins. Then 5 and 6 are output, Y and Y bar. Okay. So now we can go for the connection. First I'm connecting the IC. I have locked it. First I am connecting ground, 8th pin to ground, then VCC connection, 16 pin to VCC. Then 0 input I am going to give. 0 input should be given to D0 and D3. D0, D3 pins are 4 and 1. 4 and 1. It should be connected with 0. So that I am connecting with input pin. This I will make 0. Then one input, D1 and D2. D1, D2 pins are 2 and 3. 2 and 3. It should be connected with 1. So I am making this 1. I am making this 1. Then again D4 and D5. D4 and D5 pins are 14 and 15. 14 and 15. 14 and 15, these two are connected with 1. 14 and 15. So I am going to connect this with 1 only. Okay. Next D6 and D7. D6 and D7. D6, D7. These should be connected with, this is also don't care, so we can connect either with 0 or 1, but no need to connect with the same 0 and 1. Separately you have to connect. You can give 0 input or 1 input to this. I am giving this 1 input. I am giving this 1 input. So this is my 0 input, this is my 1 input, this is my D input. Then 7th pin. Sorry. See this D6 and D7 pin numbers are 12 and 13, no? So we have to change 12 and 13. And 13. Okay. Now 7th pin. 7th pin should be connected with high enable. So this is high enable pin. You are connected. Okay. Now selection inputs 9, 10, 11. Ninth pin I am connecting with A. 10th pin I am connecting with B. 11th pin I am connecting with C. Next output. 5th pin output Y. 6th pin output Y bar. Okay. Now the connections are over. This is my 0 input, this is 1 input, this is D input. These are A, B, C selection inputs. This is Y, this is Y bar. Okay. Now we can check the output. Okay. Now we can check the truth table. See, this is 0 input, this is 1 input, this is D input. D I have given 1. D I have given 1. Okay. So initially the three A, B, C are 0, 0. ABC are 0, 0, 0 means we will get Y0, Y bar 1. Y0, Y bar 1 we got. So how we are getting this Y0? Because multiplexer we know we have many inputs and one output. So any one of the input will be steered to the output side. Will be will be steered to the output side. Okay, so whenever we are giving ABC 0 0 0, D naught will be selected. D naught will be selected. In D naught we have 0. That is why in Y we got 0 here. Okay, now another combination, another input I am going to check 0 1 0. 0 1 0 means D2 will be selected. In D2 I have one input, so my Y is 1, Y bar is 0. Y is 1, Y bar is 0. I am going to change 0 1 0. 0 1 0. 0 1 0. 0 1 0 means D2 will be selected. In D2 I have one value. That one value I will get through Y. So Y is 1, Y bar is 0. One more input condition, 1 0 0. 1 0 0 means D4 will be selected. In D4 I have 1. So my Y will be 1, Y bar will be 0. So now I am going to change 1 0 0. 1 0 0. My Y is 1, Y bar is 0. One more, 1 1 0. 1 1 0 is D6. D6 will be selected. In D6 I have D value. D value I have given is 1. So my Y will be 1, Y naught will be 0. I am going to check this. 1 1 0. Y is 0, Y bar is, sorry, Y is 1, Y bar is 0. Last one, 111. 111 means Y7 is D7 will be selected. In D7 D I have, D is 1. So same value will return. 111, Y is 1, Y bar is 0.